Stress is a natural and normal part of life. It's inevitable to change the circumstances causing stress sometimes, but you can surely change the way you deal with it. When stress becomes overwhelming, it can take a toll on your mental well being. There is no one size fits all technique for stress relief, but here in this video, I'll be telling some of the proven ways that can help you relieve your stress in less than 15 minutes. The first one is applying pressure over certain points in your body, which are called as pressure points. The first pressure point would be between your eyebrows. Take slow, deep breaths. Apply pressure for 5 to 10 seconds in circular motion in between your eyebrows. You can close your eyes to improve the effectiveness. Repeat it for 20 times. This point will not only help you reduce the stress but also your anxiety. The next point is also called the shoulder well point. To find it, pinch your shoulder with your thumb and your index finger and apply firm pressure over the point for 5 to 10 seconds and do it for almost 5 minutes, but avoid using it on pregnant women. The next point is great search point. It lies 2 fingers below the intersection of great toe and the second toe. Applying pressure on this point can reduce stress and also help with sleeplessness. Well, the next technique is meditation. Meditation is the practice of focusing one's mind over a period of time. It can be done with the help of chanting or focusing on breathing, evoking relaxation. Scientific evidence shows that meditation not only helps with stress but also chronic illness and heart disease. Just to give a brief outline about meditation, it can be divided into 7 types. The first one is chakra meditation. Chakra is the center of energy, and the meditation involves picturing each chakra in the body with its corresponding color. The next one is yoga meditation. It consists of performing series of postures and controlled breathing exercises. The next one is kindness meditation. It focuses in directing well wishes towards others. It helps in controlling anger, ego, hatred, and promotes positive feelings. Here, you recite specific words and phrases meant to evoke kind feeling. The next one is Vipassana meditation. Here, attention is paid to physical sensations in the body to establish connection between mind and the body. The next one is guided visualization. Here, you form mental pictures that you find relaxing. The next one is transcendental meditation. Here, a sound, a mantra, or a word is repeated in a specific way and performed twice daily for 20 minutes. The next one is mindful meditation. Here, you just sit in a quiet place focusing on breathing. It helps us to be aware of the present and also prevents us from being overly reactive. There are various apps for beginners that guides us through the right methods. I will link them down below in the description box. And the next aspect is exercise or any kind of physical activity. It helps you produce endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that helps you sleep better and reduces the stress. Virtually any form of exercise from aerobics to yoga can act as a stress reliever. So pick anything that you love and elevate your mood instantly. The next one is having proper diet. It is said that just being stressed can increase your need for vitamin C, magnesium, and selenium. The amount and quality of nutrients you take can impact the neural circuits and control emotions, motivation, and mood. Some of the food that helps in controlling stress are herbal tea, which promotes the feeling of calmness, dark chocolates, which are rich in antioxidants, avocados, which are stress bursting omega 3 fatty acids, probiotics or curds, citrus fruits, which contain vitamin C, nuts, warm milk, and also fiber acts as stress relievers. The next one is listening to calm music. Listening to music has tremendous relaxing effect on body and mind, especially slow classical music which can have a beneficial effect on heart rate, blood pressure and decreases the levels of stress hormones. Last but not the least is laughter. It may seem simple, but don't underestimate its healing power. Laughter not just prevents you from the damaging effects of stress, but also helps you strengthen your immune system. It boosts your mood, diminishes pain, and helps you keep grounded, focused, and alert. A good laughter keeps your muscles relaxed even after 45 minutes and also protects your heart. So make sure to laugh your heart out whenever you get a chance. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and comment.